Varisha has come.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening. My phone.
Good evening. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. Very good evening to all of
Good
you.
evening. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Varisha. We can start. I think it's a 6. Just check, Professor.
Okay, sir. Shall I start?
Just check. Dr. Desmukh has joined. Thakur sir has joined.
Yes, sir.
Check kar lo.
Yes, I'll join.
Oh, sir has joined.
Okay, sir. So I'll now start. Ladies and gentlemen,
Yes.
esteemed guests, speakers, and fellow participants. It is my great pleasure to welcome you all to this international seminar, which is being organized by the Shiksha Sanvardhan Trust, registered in accordance with Indian Trust Act 1882 under the Government of Jharkhand. Today we gathered here to celebrate World Ozone Day 2025. I, Ms. Varisha Faruqi from Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, your today's host, welcome you all to this session that requires your attention and discussion. We are truly grateful to our Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Dr. Arvind M. Deshmukh, esteemed guest of honor, Shri B.K. Thakur, our special guest, Professor Dr. Vidyanath Jha, and the resource person, Dr. Nidhi Asti, for their gracious presence. The insights and knowledge which will be shared today will contribute to a deeper understanding and potential solutions. Our program aims to provide a platform for meaningful discussion, networking, and collaboration. We hope to facilitate the exchange of ideas, foster partnerships, and inspire innovation. We are highly thankful to our Honorable Founder Chairman Sir of Shiksha Sanvardhan Trust, Dr. Kailash Chandra Srivastav, former Principal of DAV Public School, Koila Nagar, Dhanbad, and former Regional Director of DAV Schools, Dhanbad and Ranchi Zone, and also Dr. Hiral Surti, Core Committee Member, for their valuable support and contribution towards our program. We hope that all of your active participation and engagement are crucial to making this event a success. Without further ado, I declare this session open. Let's begin this enriching experience together and explore new partnerships today. Thank you. Let's now begin with the prayer service. Let us bow our head and put ourselves in the holiness of God, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Dear Almighty and ever-loving God, we glorify and thank your name. You have showered us with so much blessings, and your presence continuously reminds us of your faithfulness and guidance. May we humbly ask you to shower our speaker today of your greatest inspiration so that he may share the most of his knowledge, his field of expertise, and to his respective topics. May we also absorb the invaluable knowledge, experiences, and put it into practice what we may learn today. Your infinite blessing would mean the success of this event. May we be a living witness of your genuine love through the enactment of the knowledge acquired through this activity. We ask this in the name of Jesus Christ, our Lord and Savior. Now, Ms. Shubhangi, you can continue, please.
Thank you, ma'am, for leading us in this beautiful prayer, and thanks to everyone for joining with faith and respect. Moving forward, it's my absolute honor to introduce the founder chairman of this event, whose guidance and vision are behind today's program. Born in a cultured family, Dr. Kailash Chandra Srivastava is a symbol of perfection. Serving DAV School since 1990 as a principal, Dr. K.J. Srivastava has ever engaged in the quest of attaining excellence in academics, and his painstaking efforts in channelizing the systematic delivery of content and encouraging feedback on the progress made have been praiseworthy. His inspiring journey as a principal from 1990 to 2018 speaks of his hard work and determination. Dr. K.C. Srivastava has recently been awarded the Academic Excellence Award by Honorable Srimati Mridula Sinha, the former governor of Goa, on the occasion of College to Campus Summit 2017, held in Goa. Beside this, he has also been conferred the CBSE Merit Award by Honorable Sri Kapil Sibal, former Central Educational Minister of India. The DAV organization has also honored him with the Mahatma Hansraj Award, and the Teacher Merit Award has also been conferred to him as a teacher in Sainik School for the highest virtues of knowledge, integrity, and commitment towards excellence. Now, his move as regional director as 34 DAV schools, Dhanbad to Ranchi zone, is inspiring and exciting, but challenging as well. We warmly welcome you, sir. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Varisha. Subhangi, yes. Thank you, Subhangi. Good evening to all of you, every one of you who are on the lines. And it's a great day today that we are all going to discuss something about and listen something about the great people. And today, a very special day that we are organizing international seminar on World Ozone Day. The whole world is concerned about it. I warmly appreciate and welcome Varisha, the program coordinator of this program. She has taken a lot of pains and coordinated so many of us to make this program a success. She is a very hard working, sincere, and dedicated. I appreciate your work, Varisha. Thank you. My special thanks to Dr. Hiralal Surti from Gujarat, the core member of our organizing committee, who has always shown her commitment to the excellence, made a significant impact on the every program we have organized. Your enthusiasm, hard work have been very impressive. And please, I request, keep doing this and keep helping us. Ladies and gentlemen, today we celebrate the World Ozone Day, a significant occasion that reminds us the importance of protecting our planet from ozone layer. Ozone layer, a vital component of our atmosphere, shields us from the harsh effect of ultraviolet radiations from the sun. It is really everyone should be aware of it and note it that the ozone layer plays a very important role in regulating the Earth's temperature, which is essential for the maintaining a stable climate for ourselves. It's very important for our life as well. Now, on behalf of Shiksha Samvardhan Trust, I warmly welcome the chief guest of today, Professor Dr. Arvind Deshmukh, and the esteemed guest of honor, Sri B.K. Thakurji. Our special guest, today's guest, Dr. Vidyanath Jha, and the resource person, Dr. Nisi Asati. You will be listening them just after 1 or 2 minutes, and it will be a really, I think those who are connected, those who are listening to this program will be truly benefited. We are truly grateful to you, all of you, sir, for your benevolent support that you have joined us today, for for delivering the lecture, such an important issue. We hope that you will surely coordinate with us in the coming programs also. Just idea is to make aware the people, students, teachers, that these programs are important in view that we can do something for our society. We can make awareness in our society. I highly praise the entire organizing committee, which comprises of many people. I'll name few: Shubhangi Thakur from Jharkhand, Joya Jabin from New Delhi, Ms. Salini Mishra from Uttar Pradesh, and Shreya Sridhar from Haryana, and Muskan Khatun from Jharkhand. For their very commendable contribution, they have made this program to be organized. I thank you, all of you, and hope that in our coming events also will make a impact on the society as a whole. Your work is really praiseworthy and I admire it. Once again, thank you, all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable words. Now, it is my absolute honor to introduce you all to our chief guest of today, a truly renowned and visionary figure in the field of microbiology, Professor Dr. Arvind M. Deshmukh. Dr. Deshmukh is a distinguished microbiologist with over 37 years of teaching and research experience. He served as professor and head of the Department of Microbiology at Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University Sub-Center in Osmanabad, Maharashtra. In 1996, Dr. Deshmukh founded the Microbiology Society, India, MBSI, a prominent scientific organization dedicated to advancing microbiology across the nation. Under his leadership as president, MBSI has organized numerous state, national, and international conferences in countries including India, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Dubai, Mauritius, and the USA. Dr. Deshmukh's research interests encompass bioleaching, bio-nanotechnology, actinomycetes, and bioremediation, with his scholarly contributions cited over 745 times. He is committed to fostering scientific knowledge and collaboration, actively engaging in seminars, workshops, and conferences to promote microbiology education and research. We are truly privileged to have him today with us. Please extend your warmest welcome to Professor Arvind M. Deshmukh. Over to you, sir.
Welcome, sir. Welcome.
Thank you.
We are eager to listen
Thank
you,
you.
sir.
Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. I'm really happy today for two reasons. First important reason is that today is the August gathering. All learned people are discussing on something. And the second most important is the topic itself. Ozone Day. at the beginning only, I really appreciate the efforts of Dr. Kailash Chandra Srivastav, his dedication, his commitment for social activity has organized today's event. Along with him, Dr. Thakur is there to help him in the different activities. And many students collectively organizing this event. Now let us come to the topic, Ozone Day. In other words, I can use another name to the Ozone Day, to be or not to be. That is a question in front of the human. Whether we will be there, or after 20 years, after 30 years, there will be someone only to say that there was human being on the earth. Means we have came at the door, entering the many hazards because of the damaging ozone layer. As already Srivastav sir has told, ozone layer is a protecting from ultraviolet light and not allowing increase in temperature of the climate, temperature of the earth. Again, I will tell you, just before 10 days, I made one video on the same topic. Why? Because there is a rain throughout the India. And rain burst is there. How many? 40 rain burst this year. How many people died? More than 1,000 people died because of the floods of the river. And more than 2,000 people are missing. And in all cities throughout the India, right from Jammu, Kashmir, Uttarakhand, everywhere, heavy rain, and heavy rain. The TVs and newspaper are covering it. We have never seen such type of rain. So I made a video telling that this is the beginning. In the next year, rain will be double of this. After 5 years, in every city, every village, there will be rain burst. Why? From 1950 up to the 2025, there is a rise in temperature of the earth by 1.25 degrees centigrade. Why? Because we are damaging the ozone layer. And if it is continued damaging the ozone layer, if it is continued, it is said that up to 2050, again temperature of the earth will increase by 1 degree centigrade. What will happen? When the temperature is increased by 1 degree centigrade, the more water will evaporate from the ocean. And whenever that water enters into cloud, again it has to come on the soil. It has to come on the earth. So what will happen? There will be rain, and rain. We will get fed up by the rain. Now people are telling me, sir, from 6 months there is a rain. I am telling them, wait for 5 years. All 12 months there will be rain because we are damaging ozone layer. That is the importance of the ozone layer. Actually, there is a special speaker focusing on that topic. But even then, I am focusing only the importance of the today's topic. So really, I am thankful to the organizing committee, the trust. So the trust today has organized an event for the discussion on a so important topic. It is more important than economy of the country. It is more important than public health of the country. It is more important than food problem of the country. The ozone layer should be protected. And all countries throughout the world came to the conclusion that ozone layer must be protected. And surprisingly, who is damaging ozone layer? Developed countries are damaging ozone layer. Bhutan has a very, very negligible contribution. Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, there are very less industries, less damage to the ozone layer. More damage is from the developing countries like USA, like Switzerland, like UK. So all should come together. There is a need of the public pressure on the government. And when there will be public pressure on the government, if public get awareness regarding the importance of the ozone layer. So, sir, again I am telling you, you are doing an excellent job by creating awareness. Today there are about 70 participants here. They are ambassadors. They will learn many things through this seminar and they will communicate their knowledge. They will transfer their knowledge among others. So slowly, we'll try to create an awareness regarding the ozone layer. Now, I should not talk more because I'm not the chief speaker, but as a chief guest, I have taken the advantage to focus the light on importance of the ozone layer. So I am, as a president of Microbiologist Society India, I wish all the best to Kailash Chandra sir and to his team. And today I assure you, sir, Microbiologist Society is always with you for such a beautiful event in the science, needful event in the science. And it is a duty of you, it is duty of me to create an awareness. So at the last only, I am thankful to everyone for attending this seminar and for organizing this seminar. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr.
Sir.
So nice of you. Your advice will go a long way. And the coming sessions also, which is useful for the society in a scientific manner, I'll again request you to be with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now I would request Ms. Shalini to continue further.
Yes, sure, ma'am. A very good evening to all present here. It is indeed my privilege to be here for this special occasion. Now, it is an absolute honor to introduce our guest of honor, Shri B.K. Thakur sir. Sir has completed his MSc in Mathematics from Magad University, Bodh Gaya, Bihar. He began his remarkable journey by joining the Forensic Science Laboratory, Bihar on 16th December 1994. Later, in April 1995, he has transferred to the Regional Forensic Science Laboratory, Ranchi, which later evolved in the State Forensic Science Laboratory in 2002 and eventually in the Directorate around 2013. With profound expertise in almost all fields of forensic science, Sir has reported significant case in the physics, explosives, and ballistic sections as a reporting officer. Alongside, he has efficiently managed the store confidential and account section at different times. He has played a key role in strengthening and advancing forensic science in the state of Jharkhand. At present, Sri Thakur sir is serving as the Joint Deputy Director at the Directorate of Forensic Science Laboratory, Jharkhand, and also as the Controlling Officer of District Mobile Forensic Unit, Jharkhand. We are truly privileged to have such a distinguished personality with us today. Thank you, sir. Over to you, sir.
Good evening of all of you. मैं बीके ठाकुर ज्वाइंट डिप्टी डायरेक्टर स्टेट फॉरेंसिक साइंस लेबोरेटरी मैं सभी लोगों को आज गुड इवनिंग। आज बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि आप लोगों के द्वारा जो है ओजोन दिवस पर बोलने का मौका मिला है। कुछ छोटी भाषा में जो है मैं आप लोगों को ओजोन दिवस पर बताना चाहता हूं कि ओजोन दिवस सिर्फ एक वैज्ञानिक विषय के लिए नहीं है, बल्कि आने वाले जिंदगी और धरती के भविष्य के लिए बेहद अहम है। जरा कल्पना कीजिएगा आप लोग कि अपने घर के छत पर यदि हम खड़े हैं और उसके ऊपर कोई हमारे तरफ छतरी नहीं है, तो सूरज की रोशनी 1000 गुना तेज जो होता है और हानिकारक हो जाए तो क्या होगा? हमारी त्वचा जल जाएगी, आंखें खराब हो जाएगी, खेतों की फसलें नष्ट हो जाएगी और समुद्र के छोटे छोटे जीव जंतु जो है मरने लगेंगे। तो ये सब क्यों होता है? ओजोन परत के न रहने पर। ओजोन परत जो है हमारे पृथ्वी के जो वायुमंडल के स्ट्रेटोस्फियर से लगभग 15 से 35 किलोमीटर की ऊंचाई में होती है। सालों पहले जो है वैज्ञानिकों ने यह पाया कि अंटार्कटिका के ऊपर जो है ओजोन परत बन गया है। यह सुनकर दुनिया में हड़कंप मच गया कि इसका कारण क्या था। इंसानों के द्वारा इस्तेमाल किए जाने वाले फ्रिज, एसी और इन सभी से जो गैसें निकलती है, कार्बन क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन जिसको CFC, यही इसका मेन कारण। ये गैसें धीरे धीरे ऊपर जमकर हमारे ओजोन परत को, ओजोन लेयर को नष्ट कर रही है। ओजोन परत जो है में हमारा जो अल्ट्रावायलेट किरण को रोकती है। अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज जो है हमारा 3 तरह का होता है, UVA, UVB एंड UVC। UVA जो है कम हानिकारक होता है, लेकिन UVB और UVC ये ज्यादा हानिकारक होता है। यदि हम सीधे हमारे नजदीक तक पहुंच जाए ओजोन, तो हमारे स्किन को खराब कर सकता है, कैंसर हो सकता है, मोतियाबिंद जो है हो सकता है, मतलब कि पर्यावरण का असंतुलन जो है बिगड़ सकता है। इसलिए हम इस ओजोन परत को धरती का सनस्क्रीन कहते हैं। इसके पीछे 1987 में हमारी पूरी दुनिया जब एकजुट हुई थी, तो मॉन्ट्रियल प्रोटोकॉल नामक एक समझौता हुआ, जिसमें यह तय किया गया कि क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन जो है धीरे धीरे उस समझौता के कारण बंद किया गया। ओजोन परत धीरे धीरे जो है ठीक हो रही है, और यानी कि जब दुनिया मिलकर ये काम करती है तो हमारा जो असंभव काम है वो संभव भी हो सकता है। लेकिन अब समस्या सिर्फ ओजोन तक सीमित नहीं है। आज की चुनौतियां हैं ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, प्रदूषण, प्लास्टिक कचरा, जंगल की कटाई। ओजोन परत की सुरक्षा और जलवायु परिवर्तन आपस में गहराई से जुड़े हुए हैं। हम लोगों को अब सबके पास भविष्य बदलने की क्षमता है, ताकत है। आपके छोटे छोटे कदम भी जो है एक बहुत मायने रखते हैं। इसके लिए हम लोगों को बिजली और पानी की बचत करना होगा, सिंगल यूजर प्लास्टिक से बचना होगा, पेड़ लगाना होगा, उनकी देखभाल करना होगा, पर्यावरण पर पढ़ना और जागरूक रहना होगा। ओजोन परत सिर्फ वैज्ञानिक एक शब्द ही नहीं है, बल्कि हमारी आने वाले पीढ़ियों की एक ढाल है। अगर हम आज सावधान रहेंगे तो कल की दुनिया भी सुरक्षित और सुंदर होगी। हर एक इंसान को अपने पूरे जीवन काल में कम से कम 7 या 8 पेड़ तो लगाना ही चाहिए। ऐसे स्थिति में जो है हम ओजोन परत को सेफ रख सकते हैं और जो भी इससे हानिकारक हमारे जीवन में पड़ने वाली है उससे हम लोग बच सकते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Very informative talk. It's an enlightening for all the listeners.
Thank you.
I hope people, the awareness through you, which the students and some of our science-loving people have got, they will spread it outside also to their students and in their community, so that we can save our environment. Okay.
Thank you. Cut you. Hello.
We are privileged to welcome Dr. Vidyanath Jha, an eminent botanist, researcher, and educationist. He retired as Professor of Botany and Principal of MLSM College, Darbhanga, under Ellen Mithila University in April 2021. He is internationally recognized for his pioneering research on Makhana Ural ferox. He has published over 150 research papers, 200 articles, and 3 books, including an ICAR published volume on Makhana. His research has been supported by UGC, INSA, and GST projects. Dr. Jha has delivered invited lectures across India and abroad, including a USA-based webinar on Makhana Water to Nutri Platter. He is the recipient of several prestigious honors, including the Professor P. Sen Sarma Medal and the World Environment and Leadership Award. He was also conferred a Dillet Honoris Causa by the United Nations University for Global Peace. Dr. Jha is a fellow of leading scientific societies such as the Indian Botanical Society and the Society of Ethnobotanists. He has guided numerous PhD scholars who have contributed significantly to botanical sciences. Beyond academics, he actively supports environmental movements like the Talab Bachao Abhiyan and Nadi Satyagraha. Dr. Jha's legacy combines scientific excellence, cultural pride, and social commitment, inspiring future generations. Over to you, sir. Dr. Jha, are you here?
Dr. Vidyanath ji, can you hear me? आवाज नहीं आ रही है. Dr. Saab, can you hear me?
So I think there is some glitch.
Yeah, there is some problem. He is not getting connected.
Yes,
so, then we can first listen to the resource person, Nidhi Asati. If she is available, we can let her speak.
Yes, sir, sure. So,
Give her a short introduction about her, Varisha.
yes, sir.
Dr. Hegel Gill. Ji. Yes, please carry on.
Good evening to everyone present here. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce our distinguished resource person, Dr. Nidhi Asati, who has made remarkable contribution in the field of chemistry and higher education. Dr. Asati is currently serving as a Dean of the School of Basic and Applied Sciences at Eklavya University, Damoh, Madhya Pradesh, a position she held since 2022. She earned her PhD in chemistry from Dr. Hari Singh Gaur, Central University, Sagar, in 2018 under the guidance of Professor R.N. Yadava. And during her academic journey, she also contributed as a project fellow in a research project sponsored by MPC ST. Her career journey reflects her dedication and excellence. She has worked as an assistant professor and head of chemistry at Ojaswini College of Excellence and later advanced to associate professor and the head of Eklavya University in 2021 before assuming her current leadership role as a dean. Alongside academics, Dr. Asti has taken on multiple administrative responsibilities, including University Events Coordinator, Women's Governance Cell Coordinator, Co-Coordinator of Electoral Literacy, and Chairperson of the Board of Studies. She has also actively served as
Connectivity restored.
on several committees such as Research Examination, Environment and Natural Club and IQAC. With over 13 years of teaching and 7 years of research experience, Dr. Asti has supervised multiple PhD scholars, organized more than 80 academic events, including FDPs, workshops, and expert talks, and published 15 research papers in reputed national and international journals. Her research areas span natural products chemistry, medicinal chemistry, and allopathy. Her academic and administrative excellence has been recognized with prestigious honors, including her Young Director of the Year Award in 2023 by Kickstarter Craft Production and the National Excellence Academician Award in 2023 by Saksham Society. With such an inspiring academic journey and outstanding achievement, it is indeed an honor to have her with us today. Now, I warmly invite Dr. Nidhi Asti to address the gathering and share her valuable insight with us. Over to you, ma'am.
Hiral, can you hear me? Dr.
Yes,
Jha
sir.
is, I can see on the screen, Dr. Vidyanath Jhaji is here. So
Yes,
if
yes.
introduction is already over for Dr. Jha sir also and
Yes, I would
Madam
like
also.
to make my presentation. Yes.
Yes, so Dr. Jha will speak, then Madam will.
Yes.
Yes, Dr. Jha.
Yes. Just.
Yes.
Today we have gathered over here in connection with the World Ozone Day that is observed on 16th September every year. So this is one of the successful treaty. Ozone Convention is one of the successful treaties because we have a number of other problems: global warming, climate change, etc. Every year, under the UNFCCC auspices, our head of the government, head of the states, then plan scientists, successful. But yes, but this ozone treaty has been successful on account of the fact that why it is caused, what are the chemicals that are responsible for causing this ozone depletion. All these factors have been identified, and it is on account of this fact that alternatives also are being found out rapidly, and the problem, the visible, how the problem will be solved is visible, and it is understood that by 2066 the ozone hole would be completely filled up, completely healed, and we will get rid of this problem of ozone hole. It has already been discussed that it causes cataract, it causes skin cancer. So a number of problems are there. Ozone at ground level is dangerous, but the ozone layer in the stratosphere and troposphere is very much helpful. It doesn't allow the ultraviolet rays to come to the earth, and that way it saves the organisms, including our human beings. Uh, so there is a role of ozone at ground level, and ozone in the ozone layer. So that's the case, and I have prepared slides also. So because it is we are visualizing that it is one of the most successful treaties, not like the UN FCCC's Conference of Parties that is observed every year in one or other country. So that way, uh, we are today in the age of just heat strokes. In 2025 itself, the situation is that all the air conditioners that we have in our houses, they are considered to be responsible for in the pattern of rainfall. Thar Desert is greening, is on the way of greening. But on the other hand, North Bihar, which was earlier known for high rainfall area, it was known for a water surplus area, is gradually turning into water deficient ones. So that is the way. We find that climate change or global warming has just endangered our livelihood also. So here, ozone hole, the problem of ozone hole, uh, for which we know that the Montreal Protocol is there, then Vienna Convention is there that was held in Austria, Vienna, and then Kigali Amendment is there that was held in Rwanda, Africa. So all these factors are there which are looking into the solving the problem of climate change and also the problem of this ozone depletion. Ozone layer in the stratosphere, troposphere is thick, I think, by about 15 to 20 miles. In America, the mile is still there, prevalent. So that way, we should look into the fact India is also contributing its bit. The ozone depleting chemicals have been identified. Now in the HFCs, first CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons, then HCFCs, hydrochlorofluorocarbons, and finally we have come to the HFCs, hydrofluorocarbons. So hydrofluorocarbon that is still used. One way it is solving the problem of ozone depletion, but on the other hand, it is adding to the heating of the earth. Uh, One problem has been solved, but the other problem is still there. It is very potent, several times intensive in causing the problem of this problem of greenhouse effect. So that way, we have to strike a balance between the production of chemicals. Alternatives are being brought out every time, or it is solving the problem of ozone depletion. But at the same time, it is adding to the problem of heat wave. You see how intense the problem of heat wave has been in India as well as elsewhere. We find the Arctic region, we find the Antarctic region getting greener and greener. So that is a very detrimental situation. In no way our Arctic should be greener. In no way our Antarctic should be greener. These areas should remain infested with snow and ice. Otherwise, the balance of the heat effect would be not in our favor. So that way, we are facing a number of problems. But ozone treaty in the form of this Montreal Protocol, in the form of this Vienna Convention, in the form of Kigali Amendment. So all these conventions and treaties and amendments are there on the earth. So we should now look into how quickly, as it has been prophesized that by 2066 the ozone hole would be healed up. We are looking forward very anxiously in meeting this goal, but the goal is visible now that by 2066 it would be possible. The ozone depleting chemicals, they have been found out. A clear understanding has been made how to how it could be done with alternatives also. So They are solving one problem of ozone depletion, but the problem of greenhouse effect, the heating of the earth, that is not being solved. So at one point, it is solving one problem, but it is not solving the other problem of global warming. Our earth is now prone to the problem of global warming. Just see American President Trump's just assumption that there is no global warming as such. It is not on account of human action. Such things happened in the past, the history of the earth. So we do not have any point to just become anxious about that. But Trump is adamant on account of his own view, but the situation is otherwise. We have wildfires, we have other problems, several other problems. So in order to have a peaceful or healthy atmosphere on the earth, we have to just sort out all the problems. So this ozone depletion, we today have a refrigerants, a number of refrigerants that is used in our air conditioning system. So I have just named them as CFC, SCFC, HFC, etc., etc. So we have to have a consolidated view of the problems faced on account of this ozone depletion, and also on account of the problems related with global warming and climate change. But so far as we are observing this ozone day today, so we should sort out our problems regarding the environmental concerns one by one. So it is up to our satisfaction that at least one problem has been solved. It's not solved right at the moment, but we have a direction, at least a direction that by 2066 it would be healed. It would be phased out. The problem will be phased out. We today are in the age of just see this global warming problem. So that problem is still there since 1850s, the industrial evolution, when the industrial revolution started. So we are progressing by leaps and bounds, but this progress at the cost of making the earth hotter and hotter. So we have air conditioning today is adding more to the problem of global warming. Even though we are using coolants, now these coolants have had the capacity of adding to the problem of ozone depletion. So we have to strike a balance between our all developments. The earth has not to become a hotter earth. And if it continues to be so, so other problems would crop up. So today we are sitting here, I'm done with the slides. Just is it ready? So slides we have. I would like to show you some slides. Chalo, dekho. Yes, Ozone Day. The theme this year is from science to global action. We have to understand the science behind this global depletion, purpose and importance of World Ozone Day, then understanding the ozone layer, benefits of the ozone layer. Ozone layer in itself, it has benefits also that we have to understand.
Dr. Saab, Dr. Jha, can you hear me, Dr. Saab? Varisha, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
डॉक्टर झा को जस्ट एंड टेल कि कुछ डिफिकल्टी है. आई थिंक सम प्रॉब्लम इश्यूज आर देयर. जो somebody is doing at the back. Perhaps he is not being able to coordinate properly. Tell him what are these slides are there. He can send me. I will circulate it to all the participants.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Now, Dr. Nidhi is available if she can speak. Dr. Saab has left. Yes, Varisha, now request Nidhi to come on and say. Dr. Nidhi, if
Yes,
available.
Dr. Nidhi, you can continue, please.
Okay.
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. Today we have gathered here to celebrate World Ozone Day. I would like to thank Dr. K.C. Shiyaso sir, for inviting me as a resource person on this occasion. So I will discuss about the World Ozone Day. Why we are celebrating World Ozone Day? The theme of World Ozone Day 2025 is Science to Global Action. Science means what is the which science behind the ozone. First of all, I want to discuss about the ozone layer. The story, the beginning discovery of the ozone layers. And today we are gathered here for to observe World Ozone Day 2025 and dedicated to celebrating the success of science, policies, and international corporations in protecting the ozone layer. This year's theme is Science to Global Action. Remind us to remind us of the extraordinary journey of humanity from discovering a hidden threat in our atmosphere to taking unpredictable global actions to secure safer, healthier planet for future generation. The beginning discovery of the ozone layer. The story of ozone layer I want to discuss about the from beginning. So first is I want to discuss about the discovery of the ozone layer. So in 1913, the France scientists Charles Fabry and Henry Buens discovered the ozone layer and discover technique for measurement of ozone layer by G.M.B. Dobson and we have observed ozone layer in stratosphere 15 to 35 kilometers. फर्स्ट टाइम जो ओजोन लेयर थी वो डिस्कवर की गई स्ट्रेटोस्फियर में 15 टू 35 किलोमीटर्स में. जो ओजोन लेयर जो होती है वो हमें हार्मफुल यूवी रेडिएशन से यूवीबी एंड यूवीसी मींस रेडिएशन फ्रॉम 220 नैनोमीटर 280 नैनोमीटर टू 320 नैनोमीटर इज यूवीबी and 100 nanometer to 220 nanometer is UVC. जो हार्मफुल रेडिएशन है यूवी की उनको हमें प्रोटेक्ट करती है ओजोन लेयर. और हम क्यों सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, जैसे कि हमारी थीम है आज साइंस टू ग्लोबल एक्शन. मतलब साइंस ये है कि हम सबसे पहले जो हमारे बीच में जो वार्निंग आई थी 1917 में, सबसे पहले 1913 में ओजोन लेयर की डिस्कवरी जो चार्ल्स फैब्री और हेनरी विल्सन ने की थी और फिर GM बी डॉब्सन ने ये बताया था ओजोन मापने की टेक्निक जो उन्होंने दी थी. और उन्होंने ये ऑब्जर्व किया जो हमारा स्ट्रेटोस्फियर है और उसमें 15 से 35 किलोमीटर तक जो है हमारी ओजोन लेयर पाई जाती है और मैक्सिमम जो कंसंट्रेशन है उसकी 20 to 30 किलोमीटर के बीच में है और उसकी जो वेट है वो है 3 mm की है और जो हमें हानिकारक जो है हार्मफुल रेडिएशन से प्रोटेक्ट कर रही है. कि जो यूवी रेडिएशंस जो होती हैं वो हमें स्किन कैंसर, आई डिजीज और इकोसिस्टम को अनबैलेंस कर देती हैं. और इसकी जो सबसे पहले जो स्टार्टिंग की है साइंटिस्ट ने 1970 से मारिया मेलानो और एफ शेरवुड रोलैंडे थे, उन्होंने ये बताया था सबसे पहले कि जो हमारी ओजोन जो लेयर है वो क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन्स जैसे कि रेफ्रिजरेटर, AC जो यूज हो रहे हैं उनके कारण उनका डिप्लीशन हो रहा है. और एक क्लोरीन का जो मॉलिक्यूल होता है वो 1 लाख ऑफ ओजोन मॉलिक्यूल को क्या डिप्लीशन कर देता है, डिस्ट्रॉय कर देता है. और सबसे पहले 1985 में अंटार्कटिका में होल देखा गया था और ये जो सर्वे हुआ था वो जो ब्रिटिश सर्वे हुआ था फार्मन और गार्डियन ने किया था और उन्होंने ये देखा कि ओजोन लेयर में होल हो रहा है. तो फिर उसके बाद बहुत सारे जो प्रोटोकॉल्स आए और जो सबसे पहला प्रोटोकॉल था वो वियना में किया. वियना कन्वेंशन हुआ और वियना कन्वेंशन में हमें ये बताया, वियना कन्वेंशन में सबसे पहले कोई डिसीजन नहीं लिया है कि हमें कुछ ब्लॉक करना है. तो ओजोन के कारण ओजोन लेयर जो है वो हमें हार्मफुल जो यूवी रेडिएशन से प्रोटेक्ट कर रही थी. तो जो वियना कन्वेंशन जो इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर हुआ तो उसमें उन्होंने सिर्फ ये डिसाइड किया कि फ्रेमवर्क प्रिपेयर किया कि हम हाउ टू प्रोटेक्ट अवर ओजोन लेयर को हम कैसे प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ये वियना कन्वेंशन में किया, ये 1985 में हुआ. उसके बाद 1987 में मॉन्ट्रियल प्रोटोकॉल आया. ये आया हमारा 16 सितंबर 1987 और जबकि वियना कन्वेंशन जो था वो 22 मार्च को था 1985. तो 1987 में जो मॉन्ट्रियल प्रोटोकॉल था, उसमें ओडीएस पर काम किया गया, मींस ओजोन डिपल्शन सब्सटेंस जो होते हैं सच एज क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन एंड फ्रियोन, उनके प्रोडक्शन पर और उनके यूज पर रिस्ट्रिक्शंस लगाए गए, बैन किया गया कि उनका यूज हमें कम करना है, प्रोडक्शन कम करना है। ये जो है वो मॉन्ट्रियल प्रोटोकॉल के अंतर्गत किया गया, और ये सबसे सफल प्रोटोकॉल रहा, और उसी की मतलब सक्सेस को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए हम ओजोन डे को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। फिर 1919 में उसमें कुछ मॉडिफिकेशन हुए, उसे लंदन अमेंडमेंट कहा जाता है। इसमें उनने कुछ जो ओडीएस मतलब ओजोन डिपल्शन जो सब्सटेंस है उनकी लिस्ट दी, और कुछ जो विकासशील देश थे उनके लिए फंड भी प्रोवाइड किया। फिर 1992 में कोपेनहेगन मॉडिफिकेशन हुआ, और उसमें कुछ न्यू गैसेस जो है इंट्रोड्यूस की, मींस क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन की जगह हमने हाइड्रोक्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन्स को यूज किया, और जो हाइड्रोक्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन हमने यूज किया वो लेस हार्मफुल थी क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन से, लेकिन फिर भी वो हार्मफुल थी, मतलब एज कंपेयर टू फ्रीऑन क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन, हाइड्रोक्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन इज लेस हार्मफुल, क्योंकि क्लोरीन प्रोडक्शन तो कर रही थी लेकिन उनकी क्वांटिटी कम थी। फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने एक नया चेंजेस आए, और फिर साइंटिस्ट ने उसका भी सब्स्टिट्यूट ढूंढा, और हाइड्रोक्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन की जगह हाइड्रोफ्लोरो कार्बन्स डिस्कवर किया गया। वो जो था वो जीरो ओडीपी मतलब ओजोन डिपल्शन प्रोडक्ट है, और लेकिन ओजोन डिपल्शन नहीं कर रहा है हाइड्रोफ्लोरोकार्बन। बट प्रॉब्लम इज दैट कि ये ग्लोबल वार्मिंग इससे बहुत ज्यादा हो रही थी, जीडीपी ग्लोबल वार्मिंग के लिए प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी, जिसकी वजह से उसमें दिक्कत आ रही थी ग्लोबल वार्मिंग की वजह से। फिर नए इन्वेंशन हुए, और उसके बाद एक नया प्रोडक्ट अभी आया है, वो है हाइड्रोफ्लोरो ओलिफिन HFO। वो जो उसकी ग्लोबल वार्मिंग भी उसमें कंट्रीब्यूशन नहीं है उसका, ना ही उसका कंट्रीब्यूशन जो है वो ओजोन डिपल्शन लेयर, ओजोन की डिपल्शन में भी उसको रखा नहीं है। ओजोन डिपल्शन जो सब्सटेंस में भी के अंतर्गत भी उसका सही रहा, मतलब HFO ओजोन हाइड्रोफ्लोरो ओलिफिन्स को उसकी जगह पे यूज किया गया। और अभी जो कुछ नेचुरल जो कंपाउंड्स हैं सच एज अमोनिया इज गुड बट इट इज वेरी टॉक्सिक, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ग्लोबल वार्मिंग के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, और कुछ हाइड्रोकार्बन भी डिस्कवर किए गए हैं जिनको हम एज अ सब्सटीट्यूट यूज कर सकते हैं। इसके अलावा जो ग्लोबल एक्शन की बात हो रही थी, तो जैसे सबसे पहले ग्लोबल एक्शन हमारा 1985 में हुआ वियना कन्वेंशन, उसमें सिर्फ फ्रेमवर्क रेडी किया गया। फिर 1987 में जो मॉन्ट्रियल प्रोटोकॉल हुआ, जिसकी सक्सेस के लिए हम ओजोन डे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं टू अवेयर फॉर प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ ओजोन लेयर। फिर 1919 में लंदन अमेंडमेंट आया, और उसमें उन्होंने ओजोन डिपल्शन सब्सटेंस की एक लिस्ट दी और कुछ फंड रिलीज किए विकासशील जो देश है उनके लिए। फिर उसका 1997 में मॉन्ट्रियल कोपेनहेगन मॉडिफिकेशंस हुए, अमेंडमेंट आया, और उसमें हाइड्रोक्लोरोफ्लोरो जो कार्बन्स हैं उनके कंट्रोल पे बात की, क्योंकि जो हाइड्रोक्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन भी ओजोन को डिपल्शन कर रही थी। फिर उसके बाद 1999 में बीजिंग अमेंडमेंट आया, उसमें नए रूल्स बने और कंटिन्यू मॉनिटरिंग हुई ओजोन डिपल्शंस की, और स्ट्रिक्टली जो है इस तरह के प्रोडक्ट पर बैन लगाया गया। फिर 2016 में किगाली अमेंडमेंट आया, और उसमें HFC मींस हाइड्रोफ्लोरोकार्बन को जो है वो उस पर रोकने की उसको कोशिश की गई कि उस पर पूरी तरीके से उसको रिस्ट्रिक्शन लगाए गए कि उनका यूज नहीं किया जाए। और इसके अलावा जो ओजोन लेयर जो है अगर उससे अगर हम उसका ये कहा गया है जो मॉन्ट्रियल प्रोटोकॉल सबसे सक्सेस रहा है, यदि उसको सही से फॉलो हो रहा है तो 2050 में पूरी तरीके से हमारी ओजोन लेयर हेल्दी हो जाएगी। क्योंकि जो हार्मफुल जो अल्ट्रावायलेट रेडिएशंस हैं उनसे स्किन की प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, आई की जो प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं, कैटरेक्ट हो गया, जैसे कि फोटोसिंथेसिस के रेट में कमी आ रही है, और मतलब क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन कम हो रहा है, ये सारी चीज़ें हो रही हैं। इसके अलावा हम यही कर सकते हैं कि हम सबको एक साथ मिलकर मीन साइंस टू ग्लोबल एक्शन, साइंस रिसर्च कर सकती है, बता सकती है क्या कमी है, बट ग्लोबल एक्शन जो हो रहा है उससे हम सारी चीज़ों को सही कर सकते हैं। हम सब मिलकर ये शपथ ले सकते हैं कि हमें ऐसे प्रोडक्ट का यूज़ नहीं करना है जो हमारे एनवायरनमेंट के लिए हार्म पहुंचा रहे हैं। तो इसी के साथ मैं कहना चाहूँगी जय हिंद, जय भारत। एनी क्वेरीज?
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Dr. Nidhe. Your talk was really very informative, and I hope the listeners, all the listeners, they have been benefited. फायदा हुआ होगा उनको. मेन कंसर्न यही है कि ओजोन लेयर जो हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर को खराब कर रहा है, जिससे नुकसान हो रहा है, और नुकसान ही नहीं, हेल्थ प्रभावित हो रहा है उससे. लोगों की स्किन खराब हो रहे हैं, आंखें खराब हो रही हैं, और इसको रोका कैसे जाए, इस विषय पे बात करने की ज्यादा जरूरत है. हाउ वी कैन प्रोटेक्ट इट. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू मोडगिल साहब. आई कैन सी यू. Over to Varisha. And over to Varisha now.
Yes, sir. Miss Shreya, you can continue now. Miss Shreya, can you hear me?
Yes, Varisha, you can start your speech.
Okay,
We
sir.
should close it now. One or two small your concerned students are there. They want to speak for one minute. And then if anyone from the listener, anyone wants to speak, can I from that teacher?
Okay, sir. Dear all, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to share a few words with you on this occasion of World Ozone Day. World Ozone Day is celebrated on September 16 to commemorate the signing of the Montreal Protocol in 1987. This international treaty aimed to phase out ozone depleting substances and protect the ozone layer. The Montreal Protocol is an international agreement designed to protect the ozone layer by reducing the production and consumption of ozone depleting substances like chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, and halons. It's considered one of the most successful environmental treaties with nearly universal ratification and significant progress in reducing ozone depleting substances. The theme for World Ozone Day 2025 is Ozone for Life, highlighting the continuing importance of the ozone layer and celebrating the global success of Montreal Protocol. Dear friends, use eco-friendly products, choose those products that are free from ozone depleting substances, recycle old appliances and dispose of them in an environmentally responsible manner, reduce energy consumption by using energy efficient appliances and switching off devices when not in use. Educate others about the importance of protecting the ozone layer and promote sustainable practices. With these words, I would like to conclude my speech and once again thank you all for listening to me so patiently. Thank you. Now there will be a speech by Ms. Pooja.
Start.
Ms. Pooja, are you here? Ms. Kalyani? Miss Isha? Okay, Miss Kalyani is here. Okay, Miss Kalyani, you can start.
एक मिनट मैम. Good evening, everyone. We all know that the ozone layer is Earth's natural sunscreen, protecting us from the sun's dangerous ultraviolet rays. Without this field, life on Earth would burn, fade, and struggle to survive. In the past, human actions damaged this layer with chemicals like CFCs, but the world came together through the Montreal Protocol to heal it. This proves one truth: when humans unite, even the sky can be repaired.
A damaged ozone is not just a hole in the sky, it's crack in our survival. Ozone is invisible, but its protection is priceless. The health of the ozone decides the health of our future generation. Saving ozone is not an option, it is an obligation. So, on this Ozone Day, let's promise not just to celebrate but to act, to live sustainably, reduce pollution, and spread awareness. Because protecting ozone means protecting life. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Kalyani. Now, Miss Isha, are you here?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Okay, please start.
If we protect the earth today, the earth will protect us tomorrow. Good evening, respected teachers and all my dear friends. I'm Isha Kumari, and today I'm here to speak on World Ozone Day. The ozone layer is like an invisible shield above our planet. It protects us from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays, rays that can cause skin cancer, eye problem, and even damage plants and animals. And here we must remember, जब प्रकृति सुरक्षित होंगी तभी मानव जीवन सुरक्षित होंगे. The world did respond. Through the Montreal Protocol, countries came together, banned harmful substances, and today the ozone layer is slowly healing. This is proof that when humanity unites, change is possible. World Ozone Day reminds us that protecting nature is our responsibility by reducing pollution, saving energy, and using eco-friendly products. So let me end with this thought. प्रकृति को बचाना सिर्फ जिम्मेदारी नहीं बल्कि अपने भविष्य को सुरक्षित करने का वचन है. Thank you so much.
Isha, very nicely you have concluded. Very nicely.
Thank you so much, sir.
This is what is required.
Yes, sir.
I think Ravi Bhushan wanted to speak something, say something. Ravi is here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Ravi. If you want to add something, you can.
Yes.
Welcome.
Good evening, everyone, and a special good evening to my dear, my respected Keshi Srivastav, sir. Today, we are celebrating World Ozone Day. World Ozone Day is observed on 16th September since 1994. But it's a request from my side. I just want to ask you a question. Thought without action is just useless. How many of you are using refrigerator and AC? Please give me the honest reply. हम लोग सर साइंटिस्ट तो लगे हुए हैं. Yes, everybody is using. साइंटिस्ट तो लगे हुए हैं सर, लेकिन हम लोग भी समुंदर की एक बूंद बन सकते हैं. हम लोग फ्रीजर रेफ्रिजरेटर का यूज कम करें, एसी का यूज कम करें. और सर आपने जो ये मुहिम स्टार्ट किया है ना, अवेयरनेस बहुत जरूरी है सर. मुझे पता है कि मंजिल 4 किलोमीटर जानी है, नॉर्थ की तरफ मंजिल है. मैं साउथ की तरफ अगर 8 किलोमीटर चल गया सर, तो मेरी मंजिल मुझसे और 12 किलोमीटर दूर होगी. क्योंकि मुझे मंजिल की दिशा को पकड़नी है. और आपने जो ये मुहिम स्टार्ट किया है ना सर, सारे गणमान्य व्यक्ति को मेरा सैल्यूट है कि उन्होंने जनरल अवेयरनेस. आज वर्ल्ड ओजोन डे सिर्फ साइंटिस्ट के लिए एक प्रॉब्लम नहीं है सर. जैसे हम लोग रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी को सोचते हैं, वैसे ये हर आदमी के लिए प्रॉब्लम है. अगर इस इंडिया नाउ देयर आर 6 सीजन इन इंडिया: स्प्रिंग, विंटर, समर, रेनी, अर्ली ऑटम एंड लेट ऑटम. लेकिन अगर इसी तरह से वर्ल्ड ओजोन लेयर अगर क्षतिग्रस्त होता गया तो सिर्फ देयर विल बी ओनली 2 सीजन्स, समर एंड रेनी, और एक्सेस ऑफ हीट एंड एक्सेस ऑफ रेन. तब सोचिए सर हमारी स्थिति क्या होगी. जो अर्थ है, इट इज अ यूनिक प्लैनेट टू लिव ऑन. तब अगर मान लीजिए अर्थ अगर क्षतिग्रस्त हुआ तो सोचिए सर आने वाले समय में हम लोग कहां जाएंगे, क्योंकि
भविष्य का क्या होगा।
इसलिए protecting ozone layer means protecting life on earth. And I would like to salute all of you, and a special thanks to my respected KC Srivastava sir, who has given me an opportunity. और जनरल अवेयरनेस बहुत जरूरी है सर, अवेयरनेस नहीं आएगी तो फिर कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा। अवेयरनेस इज वेरी वेरी essential. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ravi. After a very long time, I heard you, and I know you are very sincere towards your mission. And many of my known person and some of unknown people are also associated with this. This is really a मुहिम, एक मुहिम है, और ये सोच के मैंने इसके बाद इस पर सोचा कि कुछ बच्चे अपनी अभिव्यक्ति दें, अपनी बात कहें, लिखें, ऐसे राइटिंग करें। और मैंने एक प्रोग्राम भी ऑर्गेनाइज किया है। रवि, आप अपने कुलीग्स को भी बोलना, ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चे। राकेश इज हियर, राकेश श्रीवास्तव
सर, मैंने शेयर कर दिया है वो लिंक सर, बहुत सारे बच्चे जुड़ेंगे, ज्यादा बच्चे जुड़ेंगे सर, ताकि उनको प्राइजेस दिए जाएं, वो पढ़ें कि ओजोन लेयर से क्या नुकसान हो रहा है, आने वाली मानवता के लिए ये कितना बड़ा घातक होने जा रहा है। ये अवेयरनेस पैदा करना हमारा कर्तव्य है, हमारा धर्म है। और मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आज के इस टॉक से लोगों को फायदा हुआ होगा। Rakesh, if you want to add something, you can.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening to all of you. I'm highly appreciates to all the speakers and very good thoughts and their valuable suggestion. And I would like to just add of this one that need to a particular direction how to protect the ozone layer. This is very urgently needed. Otherwise, that it will be only for attend of this seminar and only discussing of this one. But
कैसे बंद हो गया? Some network issue is there. Varisha, we can close it now.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Vote of thanks just.
Okay. Miss Muskan, you can continue with vote of thanks.
Facebook की क्या है? Facebook पे
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, speakers, and organizers, I, Muskan Khatun, one of the organizing committee member from Jharkhand, would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who contributed to the success of this wonderful seminar. Heartiest thanks to our honorable chief guest, Professor Dr. Arvind M. Deshmukh, esteemed guest of honor, Shri B.K. Thakur, our special guest, Professor Dr. Vidyanath Jha, and the resource person, Dr. Nidhi Asti, for sharing their valuable insights and expertise to students and fellow participants. In this program, really your speeches and lectures were truly inspiring and successfully catered the expectation of everyone present over here today. Thank you so much for your informative lecture. We appreciate the time and effort taken by all participants to engage in the meaningful discussion and share their perspectives. Your contributions have enriched the event experience. Special thanks to Ms. Varisha Faruqi and Dr. Hiral Shruti for their tireless efforts in planning and executing this program. And also to our honorable founder, chairman of the Siksha Sarvandhana Trust, Dr. Kailash Chandra Srivastava sir, for their gracious presence and invaluable support. As we conclude today's session, we take away valuable knowledge, insights that will inspire us to make a positive impact. Thank you all for being part of this enriching experience. Thank you once again to everyone involved, and I wish you all wonderful times ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Muskan. Thank you very much. And now we can leave. Thank you for joining.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much to all.
everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Okay, good night to everyone.